Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my baby diaper bag. I am so excited. It's all feeling so real. So I have been on the hunt for a baby diaper bag for a while, and I wanted to get a bag that was stylish, that I can wear with my dressy outfits, with my casual outfits, basically something that I can just carry around on a daily basis. A lot of you guys recommended a backpack, and I didn't really want to go for a backpack with my first choice. Maybe later on I'll probably get one because they are really comfortable. But for now, like to start off, I wanted a nice bag, tote to be exact with you guys. So I can't wait to show you guys the bag that I ended up getting. A huge thank you to The Real for sponsoring today's video. Oh my God, it is one of my favorite places to shop, and I love that I'm able to work with a company and a brand that I normally shop at. You guys have probably seen them in my luxury video. If you haven't heard of The Real, they're a luxury consignment website and app where you can buy luxury items for up to 90% off, which is amazing. I've gotten so many things from their website. They have home, they have kids, they have bags, shoes, accessories, literally everything. So the bag that I'm going to be showing you guys today, I ended up getting from The Real. Everything will be linked in the description box below if you guys want more information. I've also mentioned them before in my luxury handbag videos, so if you haven't seen those videos, I will also link them in the description box below. So let's jump in and show you guys the bag that I ended up getting. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be showing you the bag and also the items that I bought to keep the bag organized, because it's pretty big and open, and I wanna make sure that I have like organization going on, because I don't know what it's like to have a baby, but I know it's gonna be a lot of work. So I wanna make sure that some aspects of my life are pretty organized, like having a planner, having an organized bag, having a calendar, just little things like that. I'm rambling. So anyways, and it came in the actual dust bag, which I'm super happy about. And all of their luxury items are inspected by a luxury expert. So you're gonna make sure that you're getting the real deal. So this is the bag right here. Oh my God, I love it so much. This is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM. I have the MM and I absolutely love it. It was my first luxury bag. So I knew I wanted to go with a similar one, but I was actually waiting to find out the gender of the baby to decide what color I was gonna get. And then when I found out I was having a girl, I was like, I wanted this print because it's just so pretty. This is the Azure print, I believe. This is the first time that I'm looking at the bag and opening it, and I'm just like, oh my God, it is literally in brand new condition. And I got it at a discounted price. I love this color. Oh my God, it literally has like no marks at all whatsoever. This one has the beige interior. And by the way, it also comes with the pouch, which I absolutely love the little pouch that comes in my MM, and I use it even by itself, so I'm so happy that it came with it. But wow, it is in brand new condition, and I love the fact that you can like make it even smaller if you wanted to by like putting the sides in like this. I'm looking at the handles and it is literally in brand new condition. Like, it doesn't look like it has a lot of wear, so I'm really happy about that. It looks like a brand new bag, you guys. Let me show you guys what the inside looks like. So it's pretty spacious and big, but I do feel like you need something to organize all of the baby items in here. So to organize all of the items that I'm gonna be putting in there for the baby, I ended up getting this organizer from Tote Savvy, and basically you can just insert it into your bag and it's going to keep everything organized. So as you can tell, it doesn't change the shape of the bag or anything. It doesn't make it a lot heavier, and I like the fact that it has a lot of different compartments. So you can put like the diapers, you can put the baby bottle, just little things you need. You can even turn it around like this and you'll have more space in the middle for more little individual bags. Like, I'm gonna be using this one as well. I use it as a clutch. I use it to travel for my makeup. I literally use this for so much. Since I have some space in the middle, I'm just gonna put this bag right here, and I'll keep some of my personal things organized as well. And I like the fact that it comes with this handle as well, so you can literally just pop it in, pop it out whenever you want, change it from one bag to another, and it just keeps everything nice and organized. But you guys, I am literally so obsessed with this bag. The best decision that I made. I cannot wait for my little girl to be here. Like, I can't wait. I'm just so excited. We're already shopping for the stroller, for the furniture, for the nursery, just like little things that we need, but takes time because I feel like it's a really big decision, especially like the stroller. We went to Nordstrom the other day because that's where I think we're gonna end up buying the stroller, and there are so many options. Like, it's like buying a car. It's an investment. Like, you're buying this really expensive thing that's gonna last you years, but you want to make sure you make the right decision. So if you guys have any suggestions of like strollers that you have used and you really like, let us know in the comments below so I can check them out before we end up buying the one that we think is the one. But anyways, I am so happy with my bag. The baby bump is out and about today, you guys. I'm wearing this really cute two-piece set. I didn't think it would fit me, but it actually does. And then I just have a white bodysuit. But I wanted to show you guys what the bag looks like on. This is what it looks like when you tug in the sides. I actually prefer it this way. It kind of looks a little bit more feminine and not as wide as it does when you have the sides out. I mean, you can wear it both ways if you want to. I actually wear my MM with the sides out because I like how that side looks like that. But this is a GM, so it's a little bit bigger, so I like tugging in the sides. But this is what it looks like when you have the sides out. So you see, you can wear it both ways. I think it looks pretty either way. I might wear it like this some days. Some days I'll probably tug it in. It just depends what we're feeling. But what do you guys think? And I'm gonna show you the inside too because it is pretty organized. This is what the inside looks like with the Tote Savvy. So as you can tell, I still have more space for another bag to keep everything nice and organized. I even have a little space for some baby toys, just little things that I'll probably throw in the bag, but still will keep everything nice and organized. And as you can tell, you have the pockets on the side. You also have a pocket that comes with the bag. This is for my keys, and I still have the little pouch inside the bag, but I absolutely love it. It is so spacious and perfect for a diaper bag, in my opinion. As long as you have the organization going on, you should be fine. But by the way, I am 21 weeks pregnant and 4 days. You guys, time is literally flying by. Even with the insert, you can still use it like this if you wanted to. So you can use it several different options. I am so happy with this bag, you guys. I cannot wait to start using it. I'll probably take it with us on vacation this weekend. It fits everything that I need. And not only that, I'm keeping everything organized inside the bag. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much to the Rio for collaborating with me in today's video. I will link similar bags to the one I ended up getting in the description box below. So if you're interested, just make sure to check the description box below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one very soon. Bye.